In this video, I'm going to show you why YouTube TV is a great option for sports enthusiasts. YouTube TV offers a robust lineup of sports channels, including ESPN, ESPN2, ESPNU, Fox Sports, NBCSN, and regional sports networks, depending on your location. This makes it easy to watch live games, tournaments, and sports analysis shows. You can also record events using the unlimited cloud DVR, which stores content for up to 9 months. For die-hard fans, the Sports Plus add-on, $16 a month, provides premium options like NBA League Pass, MLB.TV, and NHL.TV, giving access to out-of-market games and exclusive coverage. Another standout feature is Multiview, which lets you stream up to 4 live events simultaneously, perfect for keeping up with multiple games at once. Additionally, YouTube TV includes local broadcast channels like NBC and CBS for regional sports coverage. While it doesn't currently support 4K resolution, the platform's 1080p streaming ensures high-quality visuals. Whether you're into football, basketball, baseball, or soccer, YouTube TV has something for every sports fan, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand how YouTube TV serves sports enthusiasts, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.